It's literally almost 7:45, and I gotta leave here by 8:15, 8:30 at the very latest. Let's see if we can get this done in time. Plus, I gotta fix my hair and get changed. So, hey everybody, welcome to the ranch. It's morning, I just got up, but I wanted to do this video to show you how easy and quick this recipe is to make. Whether it's 4 o'clock and you need dinner in a jiff, or you have to take something to a potluck, this recipe is amazing, and it's easy, and it's fast. And that's 3 of the things that I love. Easy, amazing, fast. All those things. Fast is really important to me. So I'm joining in on a collaboration, Noodle November 2024, Twisted Pasta, hosted by Tony over at Kettle Kitchen. So come along and make some pizza pasta with me in the Instant Pot in a jiff. There's going to be a giveaway at the end of this collaboration. You're going to see all the details right here before I forget. So don't forget to go and comment and like on all the videos and participate and watch the videos. You're gonna see there's some awesome prizes later on. Also, the playlist to the whole thing is in the description of this video. So go check out all the other videos. Now, let's get started. I literally just added to my Instant Pot some sweet Italian sausage. So let's go. But first, let's hear from our sponsor. All right, guys, let's be honest. We all feel like life can be overwhelming at times. We can get through our day and still feel like it's never ending. And honestly, that's where our sponsor, BetterHelp, really can come in handy. Let me explain. Our animals need us, our kids need us, our husbands or wives need us, our family needs us, our friends need us. Our chore list is literally a mile long. Sometimes we don't even feel like making dinner for ourselves because things can just feel overwhelming, stressful. You don't even want to do your favorite hobby anymore. Whatever it is, sometimes even hanging out with friends and family just doesn't feel like the best option. This is where BetterHelp will come in handy. See, BetterHelp's going to connect you with a licensed therapist who's trained to listen and give you helpful, unbiased advice. It's super easy. Here's how. First, you go to their site. You can use my link, betterhelp.com/BlandsRanch. You answer a few questions, and then BetterHelp is going to match you up with a professional who's had years of experience helping people with struggles just like yours and mine. You'll be matched to a therapist usually within 48 hours, so you can get started fast. You can do it all from your phone or a computer, via phone call, video chat, or even messaging. Whatever makes you feel the most comfortable, it's literally the easiest possible way to start talking to a therapist. Let BetterHelp connect you to someone, a therapist who can support you all from the comfort of your own home, or maybe from the comfort of your backyard. Visit betterhelp.com/BlandsRanch or choose Bland's Promised Land Ranch during sign up and enjoy a special discount on your first month. And now, back to our video. Sweet Italian sausage, and I am going to chop this up. And I'm starting my timer, and I want you guys to know exactly what time it is. Cooking up. Kids are getting ready. The sausage is finished, and I'm going to add some of the rest of my ingredients. So let me show you what I've got. Now, I have a 16-ounce box of rotini. This is twisted pasta, guys. Rotini is a must. Twisty pasta noodles. Plus, these are like one of my favorites. So, twisted pasta. I've got a jar of pizza sauce. I've got a jar of pasta sauce. Yeah, don't judge. It's not homemade. I get it. I know. I say you. Thanks. I got some pepperoni. I've got my Italian sausage already in there, and I've got some mozzarella, which we're going to add last minute. So what we're going to do first is we're going to add about 4 cups of water to this pot to get that meat and some of the chunks off the bottom so that it doesn't burn. Let's go. Okay, once you've got your water mixed in with your meat, let's go ahead and add the pasta. We're going to just put it right over top. We're not going to do any kind of stirring or anything. We're just going to put it in there, and then we're going to start putting stuff over top of it. Let's go. Don't stir. I know you want to stir, but don't stir it. This is in real time, so. Okay. Now I'm going to take my pasta sauce. Put it right over top. Put Put your pizza sauce in. Put the lid on, and you're gonna put it on pressure cook. Hit cancel for the saute, hit pressure cook, 4 minutes. Start that bad boy. So that was it. You put in the pasta sauce, you put in the pizza sauce, you put in the rotini, and you put the lid on. Now, you can add different seasonings if you want. If you want to put Italian seasoning in there, I have this like really good pizza seasoning. Sometimes I throw that in there. Whatever you want to put in, if you want to add some seasonings, go for it. We are very simple around here, and my kids like it this way, so this is the way I'm going to do it. Plus, I'm taking this for a potluck, so I'm kind of like, I don't want to add a bunch of extra stuff that a lot of little kids aren't going to like. So that's it. Very simple. As soon as this goes off, I'm going to take the lid off, and we're going to add some mozzarella cheese and some pepperoni. So stay tuned. See if I can get it done before we leave. It came to pressure, and so in the next few minutes, it should be ready to go. Super excited because that means it's going to be ready before we have to leave. Timer is now at 0, and I am going to do the quick release so that we can get this mozzarella cheese on top and some pepperoni chunks, and then we're going to be able to put the lid on and take it to go because it's going to be done. So let me show you what it looks inside. It looks like inside after only 4 minutes of pressure cooking. Let's see. There we go. Let's see what we got inside. There you go. You've got the pasta all cooked up. And then we're going to mix it in with the meat so it's all nice and mixed. We're going to go ahead and add a big layer of mozzarella cheese and some pepperoni. And then we're going to add some pepperoni. Now, I think my kids like when I cut up some pepperoni chunks and add it in there too. I should have done that before I started putting it in there. But I'll go ahead and cut some in here in a second. And that's it. Pizza pasta with the twisted noodles, the rotini, super easy and super fast. It is now only 8:20, not even that, and I've got to go. I'm taking this to a potluck, and now if you wanted a quick and fast dinner, this was prepared, made, everything within an hour. Under an hour, actually, because I think I started this at like 7:45. So we're going to say it might have actually been just a little less than 40 minutes from the start to the finish. Now this will sit just a little longer just to kind of make it all nice and melty, so maybe we'll call a good even 45. But for 45 minutes from start to finish for a dinner that your kids are gonna love, I say that's a win. Thank you so much for joining me for this Noodle November 2024 Twisted Pasta Edition. Thank you so much, Tony, for inviting me to this collaboration again. I am so excited. I did this collaboration last year, and I think I used rotini last year. Check out that card up here somewhere. It's going to be up here. Don't forget to look at the description box with all the playlist, friends, all the people that are joining Noodle November in the playlist. It's going to be there in the description. And I hope you join us next time for whatever we're doing here on the farm. We appreciate you so much. And hey, who likes quick, easy potluck or quick, easy dinner ideas? Farmers' wives do. See ya.